Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a what's in my bag. I haven't done one of these since probably July, and that was like my summer bag, and now we're into the fall winter time. The LV Alma PM bag, Louis Vuitton Alma PM bag, and I've been obsessed with it. I love this bag so much. I did a whole dedicated review and unboxing with this bag, so I'll link it down below. It's not too much to carry, it's not too big, it's not too small. It's just a perfect fall winter bag. And once I open it, this is what it looks like inside. It's super stuffed like usual because I have to have a lot of things in here, and you guys know I'm not really a small bag type of girl. It's kind of rare when I wear a small bag. Even though it's called a PM, it's still really spacious in here. So the first thing I want to show you guys is my phone. I have the iPhone 11 and I have this silver case on here. It's really cute, and I just usually put it in one of the pockets, and I do have an organizer in here. And of course I have my keys. And y'all, I just literally got this card grabber from AliExpress like maybe a few months ago, and I love this one better. The other one I showed you guys, little story time. Okay, so when I was sitting down, sometimes I like misplace my keys or whatever, and once I sat down I heard a crack, and I'm like, I already knew what that was. I'm like, oh my gosh, please tell me I did not break it. And I did. So yeah, I had to get a new one, and this was actually cheaper. So yeah, I'll link this one down below for you guys and some of the stuff that I am mentioning in this video. I got this key thing from AliExpress as well, but I've been trying to find it for y'all, but I cannot find it at all. So that was like a once in a blue moon thing, or it may be seasonal, so hopefully I could find it for you guys and just link it down below. Got this at the beauty supply store last year, and I got this on SHEIN. Everything on my keychain is like very blingy, very girly, like how I like it. And I have my little box cutter, little safety little thing that I like carrying. It's very cute but very dangerous at the same time. Next I have my diabetes meter, which I do carry my insulin on here as well, Humalog, Levemir, and I just put everything in here. Even though I do carry my Dexcom receiver, I still like having my meter with me because sometimes it can be a little bit off, and I just want to make sure, just to triple double check that everything is fine, because nothing is worse than not having stuff like this, especially when you really need it at that time. So yeah, I always have to carry this with me no matter what. Next I have my charger, and I got the adapter for it on SHEIN, and I just love how it's so blingy. Lately SHEIN has been coming out with a lot of blingy stuff, so I just had to get this. They do have one with the C adapter, forgot the actual name, but yeah, I just got the regular one for this. Next I have my juicy juice, just in case of my blood sugar drops. Always have to carry some juice with me. It's 15 carbs, so it's not going to be too much to where, oh, my blood's gonna spike up and act crazy, but it's enough carbs to where, okay, my blood sugar is gonna be fine and stable once I drink this. And it doesn't have no added sugar. I don't even know where the straw went to this, but hopefully I find it, but if I don't, I'm just gonna poke my nail in here and just drink it like that. Next I have my wallet, and you know, just has typical wallet things. Then I have my other wallet with like random stuff like gift cards and like my insurance stuff. I like keeping those separate so I don't misplace it and just keep everything organized. I have my LV mini pochette, and I just love putting my hygiene products in here, my makeup. So this is what it looks like inside. It just has 2 tampons, which I'm trying to use up because I use different tampons now. I noticed these ones kind of give me cramps, so I'm like, let me just use these up. Then I have my NYX professional makeup micro brow pencil. I don't really use this, but just in case if I do need to touch up my brows, this will help. Then I have a panty liner, some ginger tea, because you never know, I be getting bloated all the time. So I just need some hot water and a packet of this, then I'll be good, because I don't need any lemon or honey. I can drink ginger tea by itself. I have some feminine wipes. Those are always good to have no matter what. Gotta keep her fresh and clean. Then I have some sample products of the 𝐿𝐹 Holy Hydration Eye Cream and a face moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. These are perfect for the upcoming winter time because the cold, oh my gosh, I cannot stand the cold. Then my face acts funny and gets really dry and sometimes flaky around my nose. So maybe if I'm out and about not wearing makeup, I can just use that and just apply it on my face. Then I have a moist towelette that you can usually get at like barbecue places, but I like keeping these with me so I can just wipe off my hands. Then I have my medicine, aka my vitamins that I take just in case if I'm not home. I can just bring these with me. Then, oh my gosh, I'll be raving about this all the time, but this is the best. I promise you guys, this monkey balm, this white monkey balm, this will help with your headaches, period cramps, muscle aches. I'm not sponsored by them at all, but I swear this works so good. It works unbelievably good because I don't take any medication for my cramps or headaches. I just take it all in and smell this because it's super strong, or I just wipe it on the temples of my head and just right here and right here. It smells like Vicks, even though this is not Vicks. This is 100% organic, natural stuff, natural oils, natural essential oils. It smells so strong, but it smells really calming. But once you put it on your skin, it gives like a icy hot cold type of feeling, and it's all natural though, so I highly recommend this. This was only $5, and they do have one that is $7, which is way bigger, like probably this big. Advil, Tylenol, I don't do none of that. I don't like none of that. So the natural way is the best way for me. And I have a little nail file because sometimes my nails, you know, chip off or something, or like my real nails chip off, then I have to sharpen these ones. So I always carry that with me. Then I have some blotting sheets that I had for so many years now, but they still work really well, so I like keeping those with me just in case. And lastly, I have my CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder in the color 140 Light, and this is not even that color. I should have got a different one, but this is perfect for underneath my eyes. Next, I have my antibacterial hand wipes. I need to get a different kind, even though this is from the Dollar Tree and it works really good, but just to keep it safe and everything, I really want to start using Purell or some type of known product that's gonna really clean off my hands really well. I mean, this is like decently well. I know I need to get some new hand wipes. I had these for a minute now, but these do have vitamin E. These have aloe vera in it. Most of the time I just usually go to the bathroom and wash my hands instead of using these all the time, but I do need to get some new ones soon. Speaking of being sanitary, I do have my travel Lysol spray, and this is a must for this upcoming winter. All these random viruses keep popping out and I'm just like, no, like, where's the nozzle? Stay away, go over there, because I'm not tolerating that at all. I'm not I spray too much, but I'm not tolerating that at all. This kills cold and flu viruses, okay? And it kills 99.9% of germs. So this is a must-have for me, and I need to stock up on these because best believe right now when I'm going to the store wintertime, I'm going to be spraying everything around me. Not literally, because I know some people may have like asthma and that can bother them. I'll spray it on the handle part of the cart, spray it on doorknobs, spray it on something. Like, I'm not playing no games. I hate being sick. The last time I was sick was in January, and I was stocking on everything because of that, so cannot afford to get sick. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had this in here. Okay, so now I have my lavender and vanilla antibacterial hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works, and I just got this holder. I got the holder on sale for only 75 cents, and I thought that was a cool deal because, you know, these be like almost $2, but yeah, it's just gold, and you guys know I love me some gold. But this smells so good. It smells like the perfect mixture of lavender and vanilla. I need to actually get the lotion, and I believe I had the lotion before too, like years ago, like when I was like 13, 14. But this smells amazing, and it's from their aromatherapy collection, so this definitely calms you down, and it's not overly scented. It's like very calming. Next, I have this sample perfume, and I just threw it in the middle of my bag, but I've been testing this perfume because I'm planning to do a fragrance video for you guys. This smells so good. So good. I cannot wait to do that video. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys can see my whole fragrance video that I'm planning to do really soon. The perfumes and fragrances I be recommending be so bomb. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but They smell very luxurious, let me just tell you that. That's all that's in the middle right here. And now we're just gonna go into the pockets. And actually, let me take this organizer out at this point. I got mine from Amazon, and I'll link it down below for you guys. It's so handy to have. In one of the pockets, I do have some needles and cotton swabs so I can take my shots for my insulin and stuff. So I just like keeping extras, even though I keep them in my meter. But there's been times where I didn't refill my little pouch where I put my needles in, and it'll be a whole mess. Like, oh my gosh, I'll have a high blood sugar, then everything would be off, and it will take like hours for my blood sugar to drop normally. It was just crazy. So I make sure to pack extra needles just in case. Then I have a Tide to Go stick because I am a little bit clumsy when it comes to my food, a little bit messy, and I'll be spilling things on me. Just using this Tide to Go stick, I've been sleeping on it for so many years, and I actually need to get more soon because I use it all the time. I have my little red pouch, and I usually just keep a hair tie and I'm a type 1 diabetic bracelet, because you never know. Maybe I'll go to a fair or amusement park or somewhere really public. Obviously, people don't know that I'm a type 1 diabetic unless they see this and know about this, but I have to wear this. I have a hair tie. Then I have some stud earrings in here. They're just really tiny and really cute because I cannot stand not wearing no jewelry. I feel naked without my jewelry. Like, I have to have at least a ring on, earrings on, some jewelry on me. I don't care if it's real, fake, plastic. No, I gotta have something on me, you know? Let me know if you guys could relate because I literally feel naked. I don't know if it's an issue or not, but maybe I'm just spoiled. I don't know. Then I have this Rite Aid coupon to where if I spend $25, I get $5 off. I don't really shop at Rite Aid, but I feel like that's a good deal because they're a little bit pricey in there. So I just had to keep that just in case. And in the last pocket, I just have my Essence Shine 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 lip gloss, and they do not make the original no more, which I'm so mad. Like, I'm so mad because I don't want the volumizing one all the time. I do not want that. I just want a normal lip gloss where I can just put it on. Okay, put it on. Okay, let me not do it without looking at anything. I used to do this all the time. Just put it on. Wow, I used to do it with no effort when I was little. And I have my Into the Night Shea Butter Hand Cream from Bath & Body Works. This smells so good, and best believe I did get this on sale too. My voice is getting raspy because it's like 10 at night and my body is getting tired. This smells so good. Like, what are the top notes in this? Oh, it doesn't tell me on here. They should tell us this on the back of these small ones. But I think it has some type of berry scent in it or vanilla. I don't know. It gives me like a nice date night, warm winter, fall night type of scent. It's really nice. I really love this one. And lastly, in this pocket, I just have my Tic Tacs. Fun fact, I like chewing on these randomly just like candy, not just to freshen my breath. But I need to stop doing that because it's really bad for your teeth. It does have sugar in it, so yeah, it's not good to chew on these all the time. Just take one and go about your day. Have some nice fresh breath. Don't chew it like it's candy all the time. That is all that's in my bag. Let me know what products you usually put in your bag or your main essentials that you put in your bag. And let me know your thoughts and opinions. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Harmony. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys on my next video.